Hey, hurry up. Today, Hexfield just released the AI Influencer Studio. That is so crazy. I just share this news with you, okay? Nobody else. So that you can get a first look. You know that everybody want to be an influencer nowadays, especially the year 2026, right? Because AI are replacing people's job, right? But today, I'm gonna show you a secret weapon that rarely people know that, which can boost your first influence career. Meet AI Influencer Studio. So where is it? It is in the website called Higgsfield.ai. This website is amazing. This AI platform is all-in-one AI platform which contains every advanced AI models in the whole world. From image creation to video creation, you can add photo, add video, also create your own characters, make a consistency character and make a consistency movie. And also you can modify the image and you can use it to create your cinema level videos. It is almighty AI platform, I say. I used it for a long time. And today I want to share with all my friends. Basically, with Hexfield, you don't need to go second website of the AI. Okay, I just sign in with my Google account. It's very convenient. So let's click here. What I loved about the Hexfield is most of the time Hexfield is fun. I mean, really fun. AI shouldn't be very serious, right? It should be a lot of fun. That is so dope. Imagine if you're scrolling at your TikTok or at your Instagram. The last thing you want to see is a boring host, right? So let's create something quite different. So we have two different ways of creating our influencer. First is a builder, second is a prompt. I don't want to introduce a prompt because all you need to do is just type your prompt. Let me introduce the builder. So I love this too. So first you need to decide which type you are. Are you a human or you are an ant, octopus, oh my god, an alien, a lizard? So first I want something fun, maybe crocodile. And second step is to choose your gender. You can be female, male. So I want it to be a male. I think if we are a crocodile, I think should be an Asian crocodile. Let's choose green, right? We can skip this part. And about the age, I think it's adult. Let's generate influencer. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Now we have our character named Robin. If you not like him, you can click here, regenerate. So let's try to regenerate another one. Oh, now I have another Robin. I don't like this one. This one looks like my neighbor. Let's back to former Robin. In fact, you can add it in Nano Banana Pro. And also you can save as the influencer cover. And we can use it to shoot a video. And let's click this video button. And let's click the explore more. So in fact, we are using another functionality of the Hexfield called motion control. So basically you can ask your character, your influencer to do whatever you ask them to do. And each frame has some music. You are good to use them and you can create different shots. This is terrific. And you can choose video quality to higher quality or this standard quality. And click generate. Alright, here we go. Our Robin's first dance. Let's see. Get out my head. Get out my head, bitch. Get out my head. Milkshake brings all the boys to the farm. And they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could treat you, but I have to charge. Oh my god. How do you like it? You know, we have our Robin here, but I want to have a proper realistic style of the host. And let's create that girl. So first we choose a human this time. And let's choose a female. And for the eyes color, I prefer blue. And no scars, please. And adult. And let's click the advanced settings. So we are able to tweak the body, face, style. And also you can rendering different styles. So later we will try animate, but this time just keep it simple to maybe glowing eyes, but not for me. If you want it, you can try it. And also you can talk about the ears and the mouth. Maybe we can add this. And here we go. This is like a robotic style, right? But let's try without this material, okay? Alright, I prefer human. And if you don't like it, you can click here to regenerate. Okay, let's use our character. Click here, explore more, and find the one that is suitable for us. And let's click generate. So this time, let's create another influencer. So this influencer is specially designed for TikTok. So I will use this influencer to earn some money. You know, short video has a lot of potential those days. So you can earn money by publishing your short videos as long as people watch it. So this time, let's create this style. A female, European, and purple eyes. Okay, let's generate. Okay, now here we are. We are creating this river girl. Let's change the dress to a more longer dress. Can you actually believe that? The quality is amazing. And let's create some video to celebrate. Okay, now I want higher resolution and click generate. Alright, this is your AI influencer of Hexfield. I hope you like it, and don't forget to check by yourself. It is totally insane. Alright, so much for today. I hope you like it. If you have any question, don't forget to leave in the comment zone. I will reply you one by another, and I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye. Hey, big news! If you are an influencer or you become influencer by using the tools I introduced, the second step is earning money, right? You can earn money by any platform, but today I'm going to introduce another way to earn money, made Hexfield earn. So actually, I am earning money by Hexfield, alright. And I want to encourage you to join the party. So go to the link in the description and click start earning. You can earn some money. So basically, just publish the content about the Hexfield, meet the need, and you will receive a lot of money, I promise you. And about the platform, actually now Hexfield supports the Instagram influencer and also YouTube influencer. Congratulations on watching to the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.